Arthrex presents the Arthrex Brostrom Repair Implant System. This system allows surgeons to perform a modified Brostrom Gould procedure utilizing a singular miniature incision. After determining the safe zone from the distal tip of the fibula between the superior border of the peroneal tendons and the intermediate branch of the superficial peroneal nerve, the exit points for the suture lasso are mapped out. Initially, a small 1.5 centimeter incision is created at the distal tip of the fibula in line with the course of the ATFL from the fibula to the talus. Dissection is carried out and the diseased ATFL is carefully detached from its fibular insertion point. Using a rongeur, remove the cortical surface of the distal fibula to expose the cancellous bone. Next, orient the drill guide 5 mm proximal to the distal tip of the fibula. Being cognizant of the 3D anatomy of the fibula, the preloaded 3.0 mm biocomposite SutureTech anchor is pre-drilled and inserted through the guide. Subsequently, another drill tunnel is created in a similar fashion, approximately 1 cm proximal to the location of the first anchor. Insert the second SutureTech anchor until it is flush with the black line of the back of the handle. Starting with the most inferior exit point, shuttle the microsuture lasso and suture passing wire through the mini incision and out through the identified location on the skin, ensuring that the lasso punctures through the torn ATFL and extensor retinaculum. Remove the lasso, leaving the suture passing wire in place. Finally, feed the most inferior suture through the proximal loop of the suture passing wire and proceed to shuttle the suture through the torn ATFL and extensor retinaculum. This process is repeated with the remaining 3 sutures, ensuring that each suture corresponds with the appropriately identified exit point on the skin. Using an arthroscopic probe or hemostat, subcutaneously retrieve the 4 sutures through the small incision. Finally, while holding the foot in neutral and slight eversion, tie the sutures tightly down to the fibula. This completes the repair. The Arthrex Brostrom repair provides multiple advantages, including a minimally invasive technique and a time-zero construct strength equivalent to the native ATFL. For surgeons performing an ankle arthroscopy prior to the repair, the all-arthroscopic Arthro-Brostrom repair can be performed utilizing the same Arthrex Brostrom repair kit. To further enhance the repair with an additional 40 newtons of time-zero construct strength, a 2.9 mm DX push lock can be inserted 3 cm proximal to the distal tip of the fibula. Incorporate all 4 sutures from the completed Arthrex Brostrom repair into the push lock and seat the anchor flush with the bone.